The following is a guide to navigating through your online course site for medical terminology. The announcement page will be the first page that you will see when you enter your course site. It is an important communication tool used by your instructor, a location to broadcast information to the entire class. It is your responsibility to view announcements every time you log into the course. To the left, you will see links to various categories within your course site. First, we're going to look at everything you need to know to succeed. This is your starting point for class. Here you'll find general information. You want to review every section carefully. The course syllabus folder will provide access to the master course syllabus, an explanation of what you can expect to learn, how you will learn, grading policy, and other important course information. The next section provides information related to obtaining your textbook and the publisher access code, both of which are required for course. The weekly class schedule is one of the most important tools for class. It will identify assignment and test deadlines set by your instructor. The dates and times you see in this presentation are for demonstration purposes only. Do be sure to locate and print the schedule posted to your course site by your instructor. You will not be able to access study tools, homework, or chapter tests without the publisher access code. The following explains entering your specific code into your course site. The following is an explanation of your first assignment followed by the actual assignment. You will want to go back and read this carefully before you begin. The last section is the process guide. The process guide will provide you detailed step-by-step instructions for your self-study. The first folder, titled Preparation, will give you a detailed explanation of how to study, how to prepare for each chapter. It will give you resources in addition to your textbook, suggestions for study, as well as other valuable resources available through Illinois Central College. The second section in the process guide is application. Application is the process of applying what you have learned. These are your homework assignments. Again, you will see a step-by-step narrative describing homework and how to access homework. There will be additional application activities later in the semester presented by your instructor. The third section of the process guide is knowledge check. These are chapter tests. Again, you'll see a very detailed step-by-step explanation of chapter tests, how to take a chapter test, expectations, processes, technology. All of this information you definitely want to read before you attempt any chapter tests. Once you have become familiar with the process guide, your next step is to go to the Lessons and Assignment link. This is where you will find lessons and assignment by chapter. You'll find a folder for every module or chapter. A brief overview of process, your preparation, reminding you to read announcements from your instructor, what pages to read in your textbook, what to refer to in the web-based learning, an explanation of homework, and then finally access to your chapter test. Click to open the folder, and all of those resources are now available to you. This is a link, a web-based link, a supplement to your textbook. It will follow along with your readings. Other web-based activities include an opportunity to listen to vocabulary pronunciation, word building practice, and other game-like application practices. This section here is a location that your instructor will post other downloadable exercises to help you in your study. When you're ready to complete homework, this is where you'll access your homework. You will see an explanation of the homework. When you're ready to complete, you will click here to open the homework. Some chapters will have more than one homework exercise. At the very bottom of this section are your chapter test links. You will always see a link to open into the test with an explanation of the total points and time allowed for each test.